Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by swiping left until you reach the app library. This puts all apps in one place so you can reorganize quickly. Once there, use the search bar or tap a category folder to find the app you want to move or remove. Make sure to press and hold an app icon until a menu appears. This reveals quick actions and the Edit Home screen option. Doing this first saves time and prevents accidental deletions as you change organization. Once you're in edit mode, drag the app icon. This lets you place it on a home screen or rearrange within the app library. If you want to remove it, tap Remove App and pick Remove from Home Screen or Delete App. Make sure which option you choose, because Delete removes it entirely. To add an app to a folder, drop it onto a category folder and then open that folder to fine-tune placement. Finally, exit edit mode by tapping Done or pressing the Home gesture. To finish, use the app library search to verify apps are where you expect them. This is faster than scrolling. Make sure to check Settings Home Screen to choose whether new downloads appear on the home screen or only in the app library. This affects future organization. If icons go missing or folders behave oddly, restart your iPhone first, and if problems persist, reset home screen layout in Settings. That usually resolves misplacements without losing apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.